Hey, rising parents, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that is often overlooked by busy parents, self-care.
That's right, Edna. As parents, we're so focused on taking care of our little ones that we sometimes forget to take care of ourselves.
But taking care of ourselves is crucial to being the best parents we can be. So in this video, we're going to share some tips on how to prioritize your own needs as a busy parent. Here are 4 subtopics we will be covering in this video. 1. What is self-care and why is it important? 2. The benefits of self-care for parents and their families. 3. Simple self-care practices that parents can easily incorporate into their daily routine. And 4. How to overcome common barriers to self-care, such as guilt and lack of time. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with defining what self-care actually means. Self-care refers to any activity that we do deliberately in order to take care of our mental, emotional, and physical health.
That's right, and self-care is important because it helps us to reduce stress, boost our mood, and improve our overall well-being. And when we feel good, we're better equipped to handle the challenges of parenting.
Absolutely, Tim. In fact, practicing self-care can benefit not only us as parents, but also our families. When we take care of ourselves, we're able to show up as better partners, parents, and role models for our children.
So, Edna, what are some simple self-care practices that parents can incorporate into their daily routine?
Well, for starters, taking a few minutes each day to do something you enjoy can be a great way to practice self-care. This could be anything from reading a book, taking a bath, or going for a walk.
That's a great idea, Edna. And if you're short on time, try to incorporate self-care into tasks you're already doing. For example, you could listen to a podcast or your favorite music while doing household chores.
Another tip is to ask for help when you need it. Don't be afraid to ask your partner, family member, or friend to take over for a little bit so that you can have some time to yourself.
And speaking of asking for help, don't forget that it's okay to say no sometimes. We don't have to say yes to every request that comes our way. It's important to set boundaries and prioritize our own needs as well.
Yes, and sometimes the biggest barrier to self-care is guilt. As parents, we often feel like we should be doing something for our kids all the time. But it's important to remember that taking care of ourselves is not selfish. It's necessary.
And if you're still struggling to find time for self-care, try to schedule it into your day like you would any other appointment. Even just 10 minutes a day can make a big difference in how you feel.
We hope you're finding this video helpful so far. If so, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and tricks.
By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we post new videos on topics like sleep training, feeding, and discipline.
And if you hit the notification bell, you'll never miss an update from us.
Before we wrap up this video, we want to remind you to take a moment for yourself today. Whether it's taking a walk, reading a book, or just sitting quietly with a cup of tea, prioritize your own needs and practice self-care. Remember, when you take care of yourself, you're better able to take care of those around you.
And as always, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Let us know what other parenting topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.
And if you're looking for more resources on self-care, you have to check out this book, Taking Care of Yourself. This book is packed full of great ideas on how you can start and maintain your self-care journey. It's a must-have tool to have in your parenting toolbox. I will put an Amazon link for this book in the description below.
Thanks for tuning in today, and remember, taking care of yourself is not a luxury, it's a necessity. We'll see you in the next video.